So, it's pretty dusty, but here's our horse bags of feed. There's our chicken feed, what I was just showing you outside. It's the Land cracked corn and sunflower seeds. I can't get it to focus, so, but we keep it in the freezer section of this refrigerator. We've got sideways, and then here's our pig feed. It's a mixture that we get from the feed mill. It's got soy and corn and minerals mixed in, so we get 1,000 pounds for $108. Get out of there. It'll fill this up completely, and then we have 3 bags left over that we store in a barrel until we get a little low and we can pour them in. But this stand-up deep freeze, we just laid down on its side, and it works pretty good. It was free. Free is good, and the critters can't get in it when the doors are shut because the doors are pretty heavy. So we have the chicken, and then the horse feed, and then the pig feed. We've got another free deep freeze we're going to bring out and put in the other shed so we don't have to transfer so much. So that'll be good. But anyways, just wanted to show you.